Join me as I challenge myself to see how many tummy twisters I can do in under 5 minutes. Tummy twisters are an awesome way to boost your core strength and stability, and I'm excited to share some with you today. They are a fun and engaging way to work out your core muscles, and they can be done just about anywhere. Many of us struggle to find the time or motivation to do core workouts. And let's be honest, traditional core exercises can get pretty boring. I mean, who hasn't done a million crunches and felt like they're not really getting anywhere? But tummy twisters are different. They're dynamic. They're fun, and they can be modified to suit any fitness level. The thing is, our lives are busier than ever, and it's easy to find excuses not to work out. But with tummy twisters, you can get a great core workout in just a few minutes a day. Plus, they're low impact, so they're perfect for people who are recovering from injuries or just starting out with exercise. So how do you do a tummy twister? It's simple. You start in a plank position, then twist your torso to one side, touching your hand to the ground. From there, you twist to the other side and repeat. You can do them fast or slow. With or without weights, the possibilities are endless. One of my favorite things about tummy twisters is that they can be incorporated into just about any workout routine. You can do them as a warm-up, a cool-down, or as a standalone exercise. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even try doing them with a partner or as part of a circuit workout. I've seen some amazing transformations from people who regularly practice tummy twisters. One of my friends was able to strengthen her core and improve her posture in just a few weeks. Another friend was able to increase his endurance and do more reps of other exercises. The benefits are real, folks. The best part about tummy twisters is that they're accessible to anyone. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned athlete, you can do tummy twisters and see real results. So I encourage you to give them a try and see how many you can do in under 5 minutes. Thanks for joining me for this challenge, and I hope you're inspired to try out tummy twisters for yourself. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other workout videos for more fitness fun.